Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make Halwa Puri. For this recipe you would need 2 1/4 to 2 1/2 cups of water, 3/4 cups of sugar, 3/4 cups of Semolina, which is also known as Sooji, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom, few strands of saffron or food color, which is optional. But if using saffron, soak saffron for 30 minutes in milk or water, and 3/4 cups of oil. Heat oil in a pot on medium heat. Next, add cardamom seeds and fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add semolina and stir for 8 to 10 minutes or your desired color on a low heat. Stir constantly so it won't burn. Now it's golden brown to our desire. So next add sugar and mix well. Next add water. Keep stirring, then cover and let it cook for a few minutes on low heat. At the end, add saffron and cook for a few minutes on low heat until oil is separated. Halwa is now ready. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.